Squamish Valley Campground. Dito kami ngayon. Dito kami nag-camping. Itong aming sariling toilet. Ayan. Dito walang shower. You can provide your own water. It's $20 per head and $5 per car. So ito yung aming campsite. Ayan. Yeah. We already packed some of our things, so this is the table. It's really good. The table is quite perfect, the size. And we have our own water tank, so yan ang aming water. Maghugas na ako mamaya. We just had our breakfast, and Roger's responsibility is to organize inside there. How are you, Roger? Yeah, so it's very good this morning. He is the one who cooked the breakfast, our breakfast. So there you go. That's our campsite right here. And yeah, it's bushes here, like talagang wilderness. And yeah, this is really huge campground. Very huge. Walang ano dito, walang internet. So it's really good for the kids and for everybody to to not to use anything except talking and communicating to each other and enjoying yourself and enjoying nature. So that's, yeah, look at that. Beautiful sky, blue sky, green trees. Yeah, this is the campground. It's all the way over there. And the good thing here is there's a beautiful view over that side. Beautiful mountain, glaciers, and so far it's pretty good. I like it. All right, maybe we can come here again. Bye for now.